What is that? That's big. That's real big. Oh, maybe I should have brought the... No. No, I think it's fine. Alien bone specimen. Mixed Leviathan fossils. Mixed. Interesting. Alien flora specimen case. Okay. So, the aliens were also researching this place? So maybe the aliens didn't... Is that another one of those ones? The cuttlefish egg? Okay. Oh, there's more ion cubes here. Oh, okay. I'll take that. Oh, that was a data terminal. Fauna reproductive data. I'll take the ion cubes, though. I do not mind. What is this? Nope, nothing. Okay. I don't feel like that was enough for this area, though. I felt like there should have been more. Weird. Crab claw kelp. Say that 5 times fast. Crab claw kelp. Crab. That's not working. Crab claw kelp. Crab. Okay. Got my words all jumbled there. I don't know. I feel like that wasted the orange tablet, which takes nickel ore to remake. So I'm not excited about having that be used, and I'm losing so much space. Okay. Cause what? It takes. Oh, sorry. An ion cube, which I mean we just got quite a bit, so I'm a little less worried about losing ion cubes. But nickel ore, hard to find. Even now that I'm down here, maybe I'm just not in the right area for it. I'm betting that's it. Honestly, I'm just not in the right section for it. Like, even though I'm in the green, misty, fossil-y area, I'm not in the right area for the nickel ore. I'm hoping I'm not hitting. I don't want to hit it. I got close to something. But we'll head back this way and head towards that tunnel that goes deeper down, hopefully. Okay, now we get a message. We're all the way down here, dude.
Terrain scans indicate this biome contains unusually high concentrations of organic and fossilized remains.
I thought we already told that, but there's the ghost leviathan, and hold on a second. Is that a skull? I think like within this area, like that little cube is when like the things will attack me, but it might be a bigger area for the bigger ones. And so far nothing's damaged this, but I got a feeling that thing will. Jeez. There's another thermal vent. We definitely got to get down there.
Engine powering down.
Yeah, we're gonna turn that off. I just want to see. Oh, we can't see far enough to see how far it goes. That's insane. So we get to see the ghost leviathan. We're just kind of like sitting on this perch, watching it. I'm hoping it doesn't come more this direction and see us, especially since we have the power off and everything. We are still losing power, which doesn't make me feel great. Yeah, oh my god, that thing is huge. So the game does a really good job of making you feel tiny compared to those things, but now it's just made those things feel tiny compared to that. Like, that's gigantic. And it's just it's like the beginning of its ribs. It doesn't even start to taper off yet, like where that is. So like, I wonder how big that is in comparison to like something the size of the Aurora, or something like that. That is just insanity. Let's drink one of these because we're already down pretty far. We're gonna go out and we're gonna explore a little bit. Maybe scan that gigantic fossil head. I knew this was gonna be out because we're already below 75%. Oh, 2 are out. We're gonna do that. Wait, did it come over and hit me? It looked like it did, but it didn't do any damage. So I don't know. I'm hesitant to believe that it did. Maybe it just came over and was like, "Hey, how are you?" and then left. I don't know. All right, prepare to be in trouble and maybe die. Actually, in that case, let's save scum, you know, just because, you know, that feels like the thing to do. Whee! I'm glad this green stuff doesn't damage the prawn suit. But also I can't see out of this, so... Oh, it went up. It seems to be annoyed at my presence. It feels like it knows I'm here. Even though I'm below the green. I don't feel like it can get into the mouth of this thing. What a noise. What a no- oh no, maybe it can. Maybe it can. Maybe it can. Maybe it can. Go away. Go away. Go away. Doesn't seem like it can. Okay. Alright. In that case, let's do a little bit of scan. Scanny scan? Scanny scan scan. Please? Okay, I guess not. Can't scan. I bet. I'm really hoping it's like, it doesn't go like, nope, scan on the outside. It's getting closer, isn't it? Okay, let's move, move, move. Nope. How far am I away? I'm 400 meters from that. 94%. Everything seems to be going back up. I don't feel like I've really found much down here to warrant going back up to the surface, you know? All right, well, we'll find something. We'll find something. Because that just seems like me. Oh, it does go deeper. It does go much deeper. Oh, I wish I could get the Cyclops over here, but I know that thing's gonna attack the Cyclops, and I don't want to lose that. All right, so this thing go 1300. We're at basically 800 right now. Come on, let me get it. There we go. Yeah, basically 800, so we can go another 500 meters. That's a pretty good amount. What is that one? That one's new. A new skull and some more of those things. An event. Cool, cool, cool. I got some lithium. There's 60 degrees Celsius next to this thermal vent. That's nice. Lithium. We'll get that ruby. You got the table coral. You got this thing, which seems interesting looking. What are we at? 800 meters? Leviathan skeletal remains. Oh, I forgot about the other ones. I'll have to read those. Forgot about the other one. that we just scanned. So, sea dragon skeleton. That's the one we just scanned. Semi-intact skeletal structure of a Leviathan-class predator. Head trauma. There's clear evidence of massive physical trauma to the head. The damage is so severe, it's likely the cause of death and must have occurred somewhere nearby. Damage is consistent with high-speed collision with a solid object. Interesting. Something in the environment has helped to preserve these remains, but a calcium decay suggests an appropriate time of death 1,000 years ago. Bone growth suggests the creature was in the egg-laying stage of its life cycle. Okay, interesting. 1,000-year-old skeleton. Mixed Leviathan fossils. These fossils likely came from the ancient ancestors of the Leviathans which inhabit the planet today. The relative size and delicacy of the bones suggests they formed part of the ear canal or some other complex internal structure. Interesting. That thing just looks so cool. Interesting. Okay, the skeleton of a million-year-old armored carnivore. Projections suggest this life form would have been larger than any living creature encountered on the planet. The oceans of the time would have been very different to support life forms of this size, with more open geography, many more individuals in the Leviathan range. Oh, okay. Basically saying it couldn't have lived now because there wasn't a big enough food source for it. There's the crab claw cup, blue-tipped kelp species, which tends to grow. It doesn't look like it's useful to us or anything. Oh yeah, that's alien data. Forgot about it. Local plants being held in stasis. The aliens evidently sought an extensive knowledge of the planet's ecosystem, which would have been necessary to support any living specimen research. Research equipment, large laboratory table, and accompanying scanners, and incorporate technologies far beyond our current level of understanding. Hypothesis, equipment maintenance, staff maintenance, specimen analysis, specimen gene manipulation. Gene manipulation, interesting. Okay, that's just saying, oh, they investigated the skeleton. I mean, obviously. Fauna reproductive data. Extensive alien research data on the local fauna with a special focus on the reproductive methods. Core conclusions have been synthesized. Aliens discover the life forms of the planet have just one sex. They observed local organisms engaging in asexual reproduction, all heavily individual, tested with were capable of egg laying. Eggs usually required genetic material from another of the species. In a rare case, only one parent was required, with evolutionary mutation introduced by the effects of the environment itself. Interesting. So they just kind of need stuff from the environment to lay eggs or to have eggs hatch or something like that. Oh, there's the big tree. A big tree. So, do I go to the big tree or... Well, the big tree seems deeper. What did it just eat? I don't know. I don't know anymore. I don't want to know. There's even... Oh man, this seems like the place to be. You got thermal vents, you got mining veins, you got table coral, you got copper, you got ruby, you got lithium. Yeah, this seems like a place to have like a habitat for like deep research. The Degassis had it wrong. They were in the wrong area. It's diamonds, uraninite, even though I don't know what that's for yet. I swear, I need some of that nickel ore. Where are you at? There's got to be something over here. Oh, yeah. Oh, arm. An arm attached to nothing, apparently. I bet that's just my render distance. Come on. There it goes. A big cube. It's the Borg. For any of you, that's a Star Trek reference. Yeah, that's all I have to say about that. I don't make too many Star Trek references. I mostly make Star Wars references.
This alien structure appears to have collapsed to the sea floor.
Oh, come on. No. Ouch. What the heck were you? Where'd you come from? Come on.
Welcome aboard, Captain.
I was gonna scan stuff over there, but then that guy decided to jump in on the parade. Ooh, that looks like it's open. was. Haha. In I go. Yeah, this looks
Detecting an alien
super
profile.
damaged.
Linguistic analysis reads, caution, hazardous materials and life forms contained within. The
Well,
interior walls in this section are substantially reinforced, indicating the designers were seeking either to keep something out or contain it within. Whatever their intention, it clearly failed.
it clearly failed. Well, strange alien robot I've never questioned before about being in my head. Or not alien robot, I guess. It definitely did fail. Nope, that's broken glass. Okay, yeah, for whatever they had there, it didn't keep it in. This place is super broken. I guess this is as far as I go with that then. Sad. Data terminal. What is that one? I want that egg. Give me it. Sea dragon. Ooh, sea dragon egg. Got rib cages on the wall. Oh, wait, did it say I could scan that at the last second? Oh, yeah, it did. Rib cage. Okay. I mean, that was exactly what I did think. Oh. What is that one? I don't know that one. What is that? This isn't... Like, that's ray species, but those don't really seem to match each other. I don't know what that is. It's creepy, though. Ooh. More skeletons. Damage report. Okay.
Integrating new PDA data.
Oh, the glass is broken. Oh, okay. I can go into here now. Skeletal remains. There's lots of skeletons in this area, man. It's like the freaking elephant graveyard from Lion King, you know? Just continue to search. Search, search, search. Let's make more Disney references, you know? I'm assuming this isn't gonna... No. Well, they said it didn't keep whatever out or in, but obviously that wasn't something they were worried about because it's still there.
Residual biological evidence suggests indigenous life forms were brought to this location and subjected to intensive study.
What? Biological matter? Warper parts? Parts? What? That's its head. That's... Oh, this is how you scan the warper. My goodness. Self-warping quarantine enforcer unit? Ooh. Creepy. Oh, there's another data terminal over there, though.
Data pertaining to the bacterium is being downloaded.
Karak contagion
Detecting
profile.
atypical fluctuations in blood plasma proteins. A self-scan is strongly advised.
Almost missed that ion cube right there. Doesn't really seem like there's anything else here. But I'm gonna get some oxygen real quick. Let's do the scan, since it did suggest it. Let's do a self-scan.
Self-scan complete. Bacterial infection has spread to the skin and pulmonary system. Medical report recorded to data bank. It is
Ooh.
imperative you find a way to neutralize the infection.
Oh, it... Ooh. Ooh, that's creepy. Oh, I took the gloves off for that one. Ooh, that was creepy. There's green on my skin. Ooh. And it was moving fast. Let's move. Let's figure out. Okay, advanced theories, bacterial infection report. Creepy. Whose hands are those? Those weren't mine. Okay. You have been infected with previously unknown waterborne bacterium. It is currently multiplying in your bloodstream. Estimated incubation time 2 weeks. Your immune system is currently combating the infection at a low efficiency. You may already be experiencing flu-like symptoms and skin irritation. These will likely be exacerbated. My goodness, couldn't figure out that word. As the bacterium takes hold, your immediate priority should be abatement and eradication of the infection. Recommend steps. Salvage further alien research data on possible vaccine. Investigate the mechanisms which have enabled the indigenous ecosystems to inhibit the symptoms of the infection. Okay. Race species. Adapted to different environments. These specimens are 99.99% genetically identical to those encountered on the planet today, suggesting the rays in particular have undergone little evolutionary mutation in the past millennium. Okay, crimson rays. I don't know what that one is and where it is. Likely all share a common evolutionary ancestor. The alpha ray would have evolved deep in the ocean trenches, quickly growing in line with available food supplies. While some rays have stayed within the limits of the cave systems where they first evolved, others are relatively more recent adaptations. They've given up predation in favor of herbivorous scavenging and use poisonous flesh to protect themselves. Sea dragon egg. This large egg is held in hermetically sealed environment and has been chemically sterilized. Without the means at the facility to house a fully grown sea dragon specimen, it is possible the aliens sought to study instead the egg laying and incubation process. To what end is unclear. Interesting. Oh, the warpers, yeah. This life form shows signs of heavy genetic modification and extensive mechanical grafting. Ooh. Its digestive and pulmonary systems have been replaced by an onboard battery receiving energy directly from the main grid and distributing it around the body. Miniaturized phase technology has been implanted beneath the skin and is triggered by the central nervous system, allowing the construct to teleport at will. Brain and central nervous system have digitally augmented with advanced processing power and remote communication. Programmable hunter-killer. Oh, are these the things that have been hunting me down? They have not been doing a good job, but they do annoy me. Dozens of different organisms, largely originating off-world. So they're aliens to this planet. They are varying states of augmentation with advanced technologies. This production line setup suggests these self-warping constructs were built, maintained, and deployed by the aliens that designed this facility. Interesting. Leviathan detected at facility perimeter, closing at high speed. Exterior anchor capable cable impacted with massive force. Exterior buckling. Facility sinking. Collision with seafloor. Breaches detected in containment unit. Immediate specimen destruction protocol initiated. Oh, so they're destroying Leviathan eggs. 314 specimens destroyed. 1 specimen unaccounted for. Evacuating staff to off-site sanctuaries. Planetary quarantine protocol initiated. Infected individuals may not leave the planet. So they were studying something here. And I'm assuming the sea dragon skeleton that's outside, talking about the massive head injury, damaged this for the eggs, and it broke the thing. They were like, let's destroy all the eggs before it gets out. Missed one, and that one was infected, and that's why we're infected, and the whole planet's infected, except some of the creatures have immunity towards it, and we're not sure why, and that's probably why they were investigating it. Interesting. Okay. Terminal contains extensive data regarding the bacterial contagion identified as Kara. Discovery first encountered during routine network expansion on outer worlds. Pandemic development. Network error resulted in... Oh, just give me a second real quick. Boop.
Vital signs stabilizing.
Resulted... I just noticed we're going to have to get food. We're going to have to go all the way back up to freaking... Okay. resulted in routine quarantine procedure failure. Contagion was uploaded to and spread quickly through the core worlds. Confirmed deaths 143 billion. Holy crap. Attaches to healthy living cells and mutates the basic genetic structure. Gradual immune system failure. Stage 2 green skin lesions and flu-like symptoms. That's what we're at. Stage 3 unpredictable alterations to biological structure. Stage 4 complete shutdown of executive functions. Yikes. Emergency core worlds quarantine. Bacteria samples distributed to isolated disease research centers for vaccine development. I don't think they made it. I don't think they were able to make the vaccine. I think they're dead. Oh my, that's not hopeful for me. I'm gonna die. What is this? Indigenous deceased? Oh. Kept alive in containment for research purposes for months or even years. When the facility collapsed, the specimen was either left to die or killed on the spot. While it shares some skeletal traits with the biter and sand shark, including its distinctive double eye sockets, this fossilized specimen is significantly larger, no doubt. It's likely gone extinct in the past 1,000 years, and its evolutionary relatives have evolved almost beyond recognition. Interesting. So this happened, like, the whole alien storyline happened over 1,000 years ago. And it's just kind of been sitting here. Wow. That's a long time to just sit here. 1,000 years. This is crazy. We're gonna need to get back to the ship, though. And I know we're a distance. Because we need... Wait, did I pass this on the way in? I just passed this on the way in. Jesus. It takes a purple tablet. And it's just data? It looks like it's just data, but we have 2 purple tablets, and we can build purple tablets pretty easily because there's so much diamond around. But we need the hive. And that's a distance away. That seems to go more that way, but we came this direction. That was cool. I feel like Spider-Man. Gotta go this way, go back up to that waterfall, past the Ghost Leviathan, get to the hive, get the, what do you call it, food in me, get the food in me, and then I need to bring the freaking hive down here. I gotta make a mad dash past the Ghost Leviathan and hope it doesn't destroy me. Got the creature decoys, so maybe I'm hoping those will help. I'm wondering if they'll help before it attacks me, or if they're only like helpful after. Like after it starts engaging with me, then I use it and it'll send it off. Like I don't know where they deploy to. Do they just like drop where they are? Do they shoot off into the distance? Because then do I need to point the ship? The thing is, like, I don't want to just waste it shooting it off into the distance before it's attacked me. Because then if it's like not gonna attack me, I don't even see it though. Which is kind of worrying. No, there it is. I see it. I see it. It's hanging around my ship. I hope the ship's fine. I hope the ship still has power. If it doesn't, we're screwed, man. Nope. You stop that now. Okay, come on. No. Come on, pull me that way. Jesus. Come on. Come on, let me in. There we go. Whew, home sweet home. Home sweet home.
Systems
Doesn't look like the ship's damaged right now, but I don't know if that the same thing that happens to the base when it's out of power happens to this. Because when this was out of power, it's fine. Or not when it's out of power, when it's doesn't have enough. What do you call it? Gosh dang it. Reinforcement, I guess? That's what you would call it? I don't know. Let's just turn those off. Good mood lighting. Oh, it's green as heck. We're gonna go to silent running.
Engine powering up.
Nope, we didn't need that.
Ahead standard.
Oh, we gotta distance it in front of us before we can go down. Sorry, I'm like not even talking because I'm just like super focused on not hitting anything, hoping that doesn't like that keeps the big boy off me because we're silent running. But I know what was that? What was that power? Okay, it doesn't seem to be following us. I know this is like the rear of the ship too, so like it went so far away we can't even see it anymore. It blinked out of existence. That's nice to know. Oh, okay, everything's blinking out of existence now. Alright, let's not hit that. There's lots of those ghost weed right here. Actually, let's bring the Cyclops over towards the research base over there. Because I feel like if we're closer to it, we can just use the purple tablet from here and not have to worry so much about the warpers. And then we can also kind of go explore that other area, like that went off towards that direction. We're not scraping the paint yet. Man, this thing, like, it bothers me that that doesn't render in quicker. I don't know what it is with my settings, because there are, like, ultra stuff, and I don't know why, but it just doesn't decide to render in stuff far away, even though I should definitely be able to. See, that just makes me think the game is a little bit broken. Jesus. Okay, alright. We're going to turn silent running off. We're at 67%. We're almost half fuel. We're doing okay. Doing okay. We still have yet to find any nickel while we're down here. I just jumped out without... We're going to just swim right back up. I jumped out without getting the freaking purple tablet. I'm a dum-dum. Okay. I'll take the copper, whatever. I don't even care. I don't even care. Come on. Alright. We're back in here. We got this hive right outside. I missed an ion cube. My goodness. Dean, come on. missed a door and an ion cube in the same spot. I missed that ion cube 3 times. Alright, let's open this door up, get this data terminal, see what else we learn. I was hoping there was more in here, but it's fine. Might be important data. Specimen research data.
Integrating new PDA data.
That's cool to see. That's cool to see. Let's look. Let's figure out what we found here. Specimen research data. Okay. Catalog of information on the organisms previously contained within the alien facility. Number of entries have been translated. Small herbivore gamma. This entry seems to reference common peeper. Shows no immunity to infection. Death commonly occurs within 4 days. Shows symptoms remission on exposure to enzyme 42, but symptom quickly recur. Shows advanced learning behaviors. Leviathan embryos. Adult specimen too large to study in containment. Egg specimens required from nesting site. Embryos show no signs of immunity. A small sample of eggs has been retained for continued high priority research on Leviathan hatching mechanisms. Large carnivore theta. Off-site lab established to study remains shows some potential for immunity to infection, but physically remains so far proved insufficient for full reconstruction. Unidentified Leviathan. This Leviathan species has been assigned designator Sea Emperor. Bone samples from Emperor specimen indicate some potential for Kara immunity. Single specimen captured for study at purpose-built containment facility constructed in volcanic region at depth of 1.4 kilometers. That's 1,400 meters down. While it is unlikely that the Emperor specimen is still contained within the facility described, it may be possible to acquire further data there on the aliens' attempts to develop a vaccine. Super useful information. So we got to go to 1,400 meters. We can only go to 1,300 meters. So we need the kyanite to get down that far. But we got to find the kyanite. There's a volcanic region. Oh, there was so much information in that one thing, man. So much. That was a useful purple tablet. There we go. Let's get in. Let's head to the left. Let's see where that takes us. Hopefully somewhere useful. Okay, we're good. We're good. We're good. Let's just do that to make sure that it's. Yeah. It seems to go down farther. So I'm hoping that's a good sign. I'm just now remembering the tree. Where was that? There was a cool looking tree that I was like, ooh, a tree, and then I went somewhere else. I don't know. No, I'm seeing another ghost Leviathan. Yeah. Yep. I've got no idea where to go. Because, like, there are so many other tunnels I just didn't explore. Oh, my goodness. I'm not incredibly low, but I could be lower. All right. We are 62%. I just don't. I don't want to run the silent running too much.
Rigged for silent running.
Because I feel like it uses too much power. What is below us? Oh! I think we found the volcanic area. sure we're not scraping our butt. How deep are we? 900 meters? Those are new. That's... Oh, is that one of the dark ray? Or I can't even remember what it was. Whoa. So we're in the next region for sure. We're at 1,000 meters, kilometer down. My thing is like freaking out. It's like, you're gonna collide. Some more warpers down here. And the lava just came in. What are we at? 1,300 meters? Jesus. So we need to reverse. Reverse. Is that? What is that? I don't know what that is. Is that the kyanite? I'm betting that's the kyanite. There's lots of fish down here. We are at 51%, 1,100 meters. We gotta turn this off because we are not really near the Ghost Leviathan anymore. Jeez, we are deep. I gotta be careful. 50%. Those are those like creepy things that was in that case, wasn't it? What is that? That's big. That's real big. Oh, okay. Okay, you stay over there. Oh, no, it's closer. You stay over there. It's got a lot of tentacles. That seems much bigger than the others. It's gotta scream. Okay, well, I've been recording for a while now. I think that's where we're gonna end it while this thing swims around in front of me. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm hopefully gonna start recording here some more. I might end up making some shorter videos, doing longer recordings to kind of make it just a little more exciting. We'll see. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. I've been Dang It Dean, and I'll see you in the next Subnautica video, which will hopefully be coming out soon. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.